Hey everyone, I'm Nikhil here. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to create an app which is going to fetch the joke from the internet and it's going to display on your screen. So to do that, this is the app that I've created. So this is a JokeAPI project. I've named this thing as a JokeAPI. So when you open this thing, it's going to present you with a joke which is loaded from the internet. Then here you will be having a button. If you click on it, it will be loading another joke, as you can see. And now this is the code. As you can see, it is 123 lines long. So first of all, we are having here 4 import statements. I have used this star or wildcard entry import, but it will be better if you import each and everything. But here I am doing this thing for the simplicity sake. And here I have created a class which is called as public class JP. So here I am creating a new anonymous object of this JokeAPI class. Then this app contains, or this project contains, only 3 components. The first one is title. As you can see, this is the title of the project. Next we'll be having a JText area. This white area is the JText area. Then we'll be having a button over here which is a J button. So we are using swing for this one, so everything will be having J in front of the component name. Then we are creating a constructor and we'll be defining everything inside the constructor. First of all, we created a JFrame, which is the window of the app. As you can see, this is the frame which is going to be created at the start. We are creating this in the first place. Then I'm selecting this Nimbus theme. If you place this text over here, the Nimbus theme will be automatically applied for this one. Then this is the code to create the label, the starting label, and I'm selecting stencil font for this one, as you can see. Then I'm setting the size to 50 and I'm just centering the whole element so you can see the components name in the center. So this is how we can do. And we are applying this border layout for this app. And next we are using this display text area, and I have just removed the cursor that will be having when you will be pointing to a text, that I have changed to a normal mouse arrow. So to do that, this is the code to do the same. As you can see, changing the cursor to arrow. I have provided all the comments also for the sake of new people to read it and understand it. Then the last thing is going to be a button which will be having new joke on it. If you click on it, a joke will be loaded. That's what it will do. And I selected the same font style which I was selected for the heading of this project, and I'm setting the size to 25, and I'm binding this button to the show joke method. As you can see, this show joke method is going to be invoked when you click on this button, and the show joke method is going to load this text which is going to be fetched from the internet, and it's going to display it on the display of this app. As you can see, we are clicking this one, a new joke is going to be loaded. And next we are having this inner class. This inner class is going to get the data from the internet and show it on the display. So to do that, we are using this thread, because normally getting the data from the internet is going to take some time, but if we don't use the thread, it's going to make our whole program unresponsive until that thing is going to be loaded. And here, as you can see, we are using this URL class to get the information from the internet, and we are fetching each and every byte from the stream. At the last, we are just displaying it on the screen, and if there is any error in between, it's going to show you like check your internet connection. It will be displayed as a pop-up, and also it will be showing in your joke display also. So this is how JokeAPI code is going to work, and I'll be providing all the source code, and I'll be providing the jar file also. As you can see, you can download it from the description. I'll be providing the links over there. You can check the links. So that's for now, guys. I'll talk to you in the next video. Subscribe to Nikhil Tech to watch more videos like this. If you like this video, click the like button, and thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day.